Okay, so for the rating, you should click on this part right here and then do the whatever your fan fiction is rated. And then archive warnings um should be right here. Um and then it should have graphic depictions of violence, major character death, stuff like that. And then fandoms, you can put it as original work. You can put it as original work if it doesn't have any specific fandoms. Categories is for like relationships and stuff. You can put other if there's no relationships. And characters and stuff, you can put in whatever you want. Tags. Yeah. Like, basically like this. I did that wrong. There you go. Additional tags. You can also do it like um that. Um yeah, and then work title and you notes, whatever. If it's a gift for someone, you can put it like that. Um Put the language that it's in or else it will not let you upload it. Um Select work thing. I Yeah.